Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download and install the Telegram app on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the Telegram app on our phone, first open up the Play Store. And on this interface guys, we'll be required to tap on the search bar at the top of the screen, where we'll be required to type in Telegram and search for it. And you can see the Telegram option available for us at the top of the screen. Open it and you can see the install button guys. Tap on that install button and then the Telegram app will be downloaded and installed on your device momentarily, depending upon your net speed and your device's capability. So let's wait for it until it downloads guys. And Telegram has been downloaded on our device guys. Let's open it. And you can see guys, the Telegram has been launched on our device. Now in order to proceed, you'll be required to sign up on Telegram. Sign up with your account or your phone number on Telegram and you will be ready to use the Telegram app on your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to download and install the Telegram app on our phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.